it's been about almost 24 hours since we have conducted the experiment with the rapid acting yeast and grape juice. So we, again, there's no additional sugar added. So it had about 38 grams of sugar in all of the 42 carbohydrate molecules that were present in the grape juice that we added to 4.5 grams of that rapid acting or instant yeast. And so what you can see here is some of the balloons have deflated, indicating that some of the gases have apparently been reabsorbed into the liquid. And we have the 3 that have been exposed to the environment, the other 3 in the back that have been sealed, and then obviously the first 3 that had the balloons. So we didn't touch the balloons yet. I want to wait for that fermentation to go on. But what I wanted to tell you was, I think it's important that we can take a look. And this is the number 5 vial. You actually have a couple different layers that have formed. And in the bottom rich layer, that looks like that is the bulk of the fermentation product. It's a little bit, more pinkish-purplish kind of color, whereas the stuff sitting on top of it is obviously not as dense, more the liquid stuff, probably the stuff that did not participate in the fermentation from the grape juice, so it could just be whatever, color molecules that are in there, just water, just very simple, lightweight stuff. And if we were to actually look at the testing, this is what we came up with. So if I was to only look within this fermented product down here, this purplish pink, what I did is I looked at either undiluted, I just took it straight up, about 1 ml, versus twofold dilution, meaning I cut it with 1 ml of water, 1 ml of that pinkish-purplish kind of liqueur, and 1 ml of water. So what did the test reveal? This is the alcohol test, and I don't know if you can see, but the milk test, which is on the upper part of the test, compared the undiluted to the diluted. You can definitely see the importance of having this liqueur diluted a bit. I think that the acidic pH can wreak some havoc on these tests, and so the twofold dilution is sufficient to indicate that there has been alcohol formed. And what that bluish indicator there indicates is that there is, in fact, some alcohol between 20 mg and 40 mg per deciliter. Down a little bit lower, we use the saliva test. Same kind of thing. The undiluted, not so much. The diluted definitely provided some alcohol detection.